ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. It gives me great pleasure to attend today's ceremony to hand over the grants to the youths of Labasa. Yesterday I was in Singatoka for the similar program, and I talked to the youths over there the importance of empowering our youths. Ladies and gentlemen, 70% of our population is 40 years below. So in other words, you all are our future. And as a government, it is our responsibility to empower and look after the youths who will be the leaders of tomorrow. And that is why I'm here in Pesak. I could have asked my permanent secretary or manager not to hand over this grant, but I made an effort to come over to talk to you and to understand your grievances, so that wherever there is a need for assistance, we are there to assist you. I've also stated yesterday that we have seen thousands of youths are now taking keen interest in farming. When we first started, and that was during COVID-19 pandemic, we thought we will fail. But I can tell you now that there is a lot of success stories, and throughout the country, wherever I've been to, I have observed myself, I have witnessed how our youth are involved in farming. Not only that, now they are expanding their project. Some of the youth clubs have gone to another level from farming. Some of them has gone into bakery business. Some of them have gone into canteen. Some of them have gone into supermarket business. This all started from that small assistance that we provided during that point in time. And I want to urge the youths of Labasa, don't think that whatever we're going to hand over this afternoon is the end of the assistance. This program doesn't work like that. There will be continued support, provided you play your role. And that is that you need to be focused in what you are doing. And as and when the need will arise for more assistance, after the monitoring and evaluation, we will come and assist you. That's my assurance here this afternoon to the youths of Labasa. The farming implements consists of greenhouse materials, forks, spade, spray tanks, wheelbarrows, and crop seedling, just to name a few. And I've been just advised by the manager note that there are other materials outside that will be handed over to all of you this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, food security is always a priority of the Fijian government. We are working hand in hand with Ministry of Agriculture. And as I've said before, that this program is a partnership between the landowners, the youth club, and the ministry. But can we this afternoon put our hands together for the landowners for giving land to the youth to do farming? And on behalf of the government, I want to thank all those landowners who have assisted the youth here in Labasa. The development of agriculture sector has the great potential to contribute to the growth of Fiji's economy and the future improvement of people's livelihood. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to inform all of you that there are few people going around in Labasa collecting funds in the name of Ministry of Youth and Sports. That they are also the employment agency to collect funds to send you people to Australia. Please, don't give any money to anybody. The only ministry that is responsible of accepting your application for the Pacific Labour Scheme and Seasonal Work Program is Ministry of Employment. Full stop. We have reported this matter to the police, and police is investigating that particular person. So I thought that I will inform all of you because it has started here in Labasa. And for your information, this morning I met the Australian Foreign Minister who is here for a day visit to discuss on the Pacific Labour Scheme. Now the program has increased to 4 years. Before it was 3 years. So now it has been increased to 4 years. And the announcement was also made today that if you are chosen to work under the Pacific Labour Scheme, you can take your families as well. All these things are happening under the Bubale partnership that was signed in 2015 between our Honorable Prime Minister and the then Prime Minister of Australia. So I want to suggest, if you are interested in this program, please get in touch with my Ministry of Employment staff. There is a National Employment Center based within that ministry, and please fill all those relevant forms that you are required to do. So once again, thank you so much for coming, and I want to wish you all the very best in your future endeavors, and may God bless us all. Naka.